Is silica is significantly reducing your membrane life? In water treatment, silica plays a big role in deciding the membrane life. I'm Taju Hogis from Alantech. Today, I'm going to discuss about the silica effect in membrane life. There are two types of silica which is available in water: colloidal silica and reactive silica. Colloidal silica is suspended and easy to remove, while reactive silica is dissolved silica and not easy to remove from water. What happens is, when silica is present in water, silica has a saturation limit when it comes to reject stream in reverse osmosis. In reject stream, you can concentrate silica up to 140 ppm, 160 ppm, up to 200 ppm. Depends on the type of antiscalant you are using. But if the antiscalant is not correct, take more recovery from water. What happens is the saturation limit exceeds and silica precipitate on the surface of the membrane. So in Alantech, we provide solutions to ensure that silica is not affecting the life of the membrane. So there are different technologies we can remove. Colloidal silica, for example, you can have a pretreatment of ultrafiltration to remove the silica from the water. But when it comes to reactive silica, you will have to be very careful during the design stage. What we do is we ask the customer to analyze the water carefully, understand the level of silica present in water, then do a projection of membrane with various type of antiscalants to understand the effect of recovery. So, for example, if you have a silica of 30 ppm in water and you are taking 75% of recovery, the possibility of having the silica in reject stream is above 200 ppm. In that case, your saturation limits are exceeded, which will definitely affect the membrane. So we use specific antiscalants which can protect the membrane. Also, we always create a dynamic situation within the membrane so that the silica doesn't precipitate on the surface of the membrane. For that, we call it as permeate flushing, then variation of the feed pressure. So we use different kind of pumps in projects where the silica is available, where we don't keep any constant pressure in the membrane surface. We always vary the pressure of high pressure pump within the membrane so that the silica doesn't get the chance to precipitate on the membrane surface. Then after a period of time, we flush the water, flush out the silica which are precipitated out of the membrane, then go back to the normal operation. So keeping in mind, silica is it's a silent killer to membranes. Every water treatment or water source which is having a presence of silica has to be carefully designed, carefully handled, and then we have to understand the effect of silica on membrane. So various type of membranes are available in the market, but when it comes to precipitation, every membrane remains the same. Every membrane has a potential to have a precipitation and having the damage because of the precipitation.